As you know, PLR is my thing, and I reappear, disappear again, and I'm back because I needed to figure out what to do with this channel and what's my plan of action to help you. This isn't just for me just to waste a lot of time and effort and money. I want to answer the question with your PLR. What do you do with it? You know, after you bought the PLR, what do you do? Now, if you're in affiliate marketing and you're trying to make money online, this is part of your plan of action, because PLR is one of the best things to use in your business. But most people don't know what to do after you have it. Where should you get it? What to do with it? And everything. I'll show you it all. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. Now first, if you are not on my email list, get on it. You're not going to get ridiculous promotions and things like that. I'm helping my people on my list, and every week I get emails from you, and they're saying things like, I can't believe that you're showing us what to do with PLR, and you're the only one I could really trust. So I'm here to help you. So click on that link in the description, get the checklist, the PLR checklist. You'll get on my email list and you'll follow along. So here's my plan of action. So let's brainstorm. The initial question is, you get PLR, okay, what do you do with it? And most people do what I used to do. I would buy it, put it in my computer, and nothing happens. Right? Come on. We've all done it. And the ones who are creating a business, making money, they're getting sales, is they take the PLR and they turn it into something, turning into gold. And I'm not talking about cheap PLR. This is part of my plan of action. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So the topic is, after buying the PLR, the goal is how to turn it into a profit. So the steps are I'm going to put together a detailed to-do list. It'll include all the required action steps and items, what resources you need to pull this off, and a timeline, and make it happen. So my big ideas are: take the PLR that we all bought and change the PLR into products, tools, courses, templates, and more. And to create a system using the PLR and turn it into profits. And isn't that why we started this in the first place? So I have most, if not all, the tools I'll need. The tools you'll need, some will be free, some will be a bit expensive, but if you want to get going in this, I'll show you what I suggest, and I'm going to figure out what you can do. If like, you could get the big kahuna product to use, or maybe a cheaper version, or maybe there's free. And you could start out with free. That's what I started. I'll show you what we're going to do. And I'm going to make videos on how I'm doing this right here on this channel. I'm going to show you what I'm doing step by step. Because when I started this business years ago, I could never understand how they jumped the shark starting their business, internet marketing, PLR, whatever they bought. It seems like they bought a course and then no information, no steps, and then they're successful. And I could never get the answers like, what did you do here in this part? You got the course, you're making money. But what did you do here? And there was never an answer. It made me crazy. So I'm going to show you what I'm actually doing step by step. Follow along. And if you get on my email list, I'll keep you in the loop because I'm going to send you maybe some of the PLR that I changed, one of the products. We'll see what we're doing. This is all to make a profit. That's why we're in this. We're not doing this. This isn't like playing tennis or golf. We're in this business. Internet marketing, PLR, video. To do this, it's a business. So let's do this together. So my top 3 ideas is to create products. And the action is make products that people need. What are they asking for right now? And the second one is create mini courses. This is kind of a live or recorded mini course. So these are useful courses, of course. What are they asking for? And the third idea is PLR for emails and blogs. So perhaps templates and tools to use instantly. That's my plan. We'll see what happens. So the next steps, make a commitment. Write down a list of things that you must do to move this idea ahead to the next phase. So keep pushing forward. This isn't going to be easy. If this was easy, everyone could do it. But step by step, eventually you'll get there. We're at the bottom of the hill. The top, the summit is way up there. The only way to get there is step by step. So come along in this journey. We could do this together. I think this will be a lot of fun. So I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where we talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. Get on my email list, get that checklist, and we'll talk soon.